This presentation is about automated essay scoring using Discourse external knowledge. The main motivation of using the hybrid approach that incorporates expert features into a neural model is providing a constructive feedback by identifying which aspects of essays needs improvements. Little attention has been paid to assessing the discourse aspects of the essays. Two important aspects of discourse have been emphasized so far in the literature: the coherence and the cohesion. The cohesion refers to the presence or absence of linguistic cues, and the coherence defines the overall meaning and structure of the text. Research findings demonstrated that the hybrid approach outperformed the traditional automated essay scoring approaches with a significant margin. Motivated by this, we propose an automated essay scoring model using Discourse external knowledge. Given a long essay, we generate the semantic embedding using ExcelNet. ExcelNet uses a recurrence mechanism and relative positional encoding, and this allows it to process the longer sequences effectively. For the short essays, we use a compressing sentence model that overcomes the sparsity issue. And this compressing sentence model uses a PCA module on top of the transformer-based embedding. Once we generated the essays embedding using ExcelNet and the compressing sentence embedding, we concatenate them with the expert features. So first we use the discourse features, and for the first time we introduce lexical chains that represent related words semantically in the sentence. And the research findings demonstrate that there is a positive correlation between the cohesion and the semantic similarity of the text. And we include other discourse features such as grammatical error, unigram, bigrams, and trigrams. The Cohemetrics is a research tool that assesses the cohesion, the coherence, and the readability of the text. And examples of group of the Cohemetrics feature are referential cohesion, which assess the number of cohesion relations based on the proposition and sentences in the text. The latent semantic analysis, which measure the semantic overlap between sentences and paragraphs. We have lexical diversity, which infers the level of cohesion, and we have syntactic complexity, which is about analyzing sentences and word density. Once we concatenate the semantic embedding of the essays and these expert features, we apply a linear layer that computes the final score of the essay. To evaluate the effectiveness of this proposed model, we have conducted many experiments using SAP dataset. This dataset consists of 8 prompts, and each prompt has a different topic, including narrative, source-dependent response, and argumentative. And each prompt has its unique characteristics and different score resolution methods. And this is what explains the different score ranges. And we solve this problem by scaling all the ranges to one range in the experiments. And we have evaluated our proposed approach using a quadratic weighted kappa matrix, which measure the agreements between the calculated score and the expert ones. So as you can see here in the displayed results, our proposed model has reached the highest average score with a score of 0.74, and also it has reached the highest score for prompt 8 with a score of 0.79, and also it has reached the highest score for prompt 6 with a score of 0.81. So these results demonstrates the effectiveness of incorporating a discourse external knowledge into a deep learning model for the automated essay scoring task. Thanks.